In this video, we'll see how easy it is to get answers from a contract using Box AI, no scrolling required. So here I am in this asset purchase agreement, and instead of scrolling through and reading through all this complex language, I'm just going to click on Box AI and ask my question. So let's ask, what are the seller's post-closing obligations? Now, Box AI is going to quickly analyze this document and highlight the key requirements right away. Things like deliver and installing the system at the buyer store, responding to buyer inspection claims, cure breaches, as well as providing title and warranty representations. We can continue asking questions of Box AI. So next, let's ask, what warranties or representations does the buyer make? Now, Box AI will summarize the buyer's commitment, authority, compliance, and accuracy of information. And what's really great is that Box AI provides citations right here, so you can see where it's getting its information from. Finally, let's ask, what happens if either party breaches the agreement? Again, instantly, Box AI analyzes and surfaces the remedies and termination clauses, so we know exactly what happens if things go wrong. No hunting through clauses, no scrolling, just clear, trusted answers from your content thanks to Box AI.